Hey guys, Rob here from ARMOUR, and today we're going to be showing you how to plug your tyre with ARMOUR's famous tyre puncture repair kit. Pretty simple system. It's unscrew, all the gadgets are inside. You've got your hole puncture, plugger, plugs, all in one simple versatile system. Now, what you want to do first before you do anything is diagnose that you have a flat tyre before you use this. Now we have, as you can see, how convenient that our little air hole is just on that side. See by the bubbles that are coming out, there's a hole there. So what you want to do, unscrew your kit, lay it out so you can see all the bits. This works very, very simple. Some little divots in here, and what they do is they just slot into the divot of the puncture. Now, come in here, find where your hole is, just give it a good, honest, you've got that opened up, unscrew, put it in like such, pull it through so it's about halfway. All right, you want in, that there. Last and easy final step is you want to grab your Mophie pack out of the back of your side-by-side that you recently purchased off us. Get one. And what you do, well actually it does a lot of things. It's a jump starter, it's a power bank, and it's an air compressor all in the one. So unscrew your nut, set your PSI, set it at 20, and hit air. Quick and easy, very fast, quick and easy system. So once it's pumped your tyre up to 20 psi, you're good to go. Now, word of warning, don't touch this thing straight away. It is hot. So let this cool down. It's really nicely well done. Look at this. Thanks for watching another how-to with ARMOUR. If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to contact us at www.aussiespousesports.com.au. Until next time, ride hard and stay safe.